Primarily described as rotten eggs, there is obviously nothing about the aroma of H2S that could be described as positive in beer. While small amounts of H2S may vanish by swirling the glass of beer, it's probable that some of the compound will be perceivable through the entire glass. H2S is produced by yeast during fermentation as a byproduct of amino acid metabolism. Specifically, sulfur compounds are produced when yeast is manufacturing methionine and cysteine. H2S can also be produced by wort and beer spoilage organisms, particularly gram-negative bacteria such as Zymomonas and enteric bacteria. The best way to ensure low levels of sulfur in your beer is to use healthy, vital yeast. Sufficient aeration or oxygenation of wort prior to yeast pitching is crucial to yeast health. Certain strains of yeast also produce more sulfur than other strains. Ale yeast generally produce less sulfur than lager yeasts. Sulfur levels can also be decreased by lower fermentation temperatures and by assuring that wort contains adequate nitrogen. To avoid sulfur contribution from spoilage organisms, breweries must practice appropriate cleaning and sanitizing in all areas of the brewing process.